Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Good morning, welcome to the Forex daily video research. Today the October 13th, and today we'll talk about Great British Pound again, because on the euro currency there is nothing really interesting right now. Market didn't even close below the 3x3 moving average that we discussed yesterday, so we do not have no bread and butter and directional trade, no the first part of the double repo, so we have to wait for additional development of the situation on the market. But on the Great British Pound there is some interesting moments that we discussed during our weekly research, and now this scenario looks like is realizing on the market. So let's start from the daily chart of Great British Pound. As you remember, we talked about two contradictional signals. First one was this wash and rinse of the previous highs, that is bearish and should lead to some retracement to the downside, and another signal was this MACD failure pattern that should lead to the taking out the previous highs. And I said that the possible scenario that will satisfy both of this pattern will be the three drive sell pattern. So we should see some retracement to the downside first and then clear out these previous highs. And for this purpose I said that market should retrace down to the weekly period support 1. Also there was some possibility for the short-term scalp trade that has been worked out perfectly. I suppose you had made some pips on this trade. So as you see, this has happened. Market really retraced to the weekly period support 1. In general, this is the normal price action when the market developed in some parallel channel in some rally, and when it started to retracing, it retraced to the weekly period support 1. This is very common. Also this daily confluence support area around 157, 96, 58, 15. So this area still holds the market. Well, now let's look at the possibility of three drive sell pattern. As you know, I explained many times what is the three drive sell. We can see first drive, second drive, and we should see the third drive before the possible short positions will appear on the market in the great amount. The second drive should be the 127 expansion from the first drive high and the retracement of the first drive. That has happened a bit higher, but in general this is suitable. Okay, and the third drive should be the confluence of 1618 expansion of the third drive from this high to this low, and 127 expansion of the second drive from this high to this low. This is really two close targets, so these targets should be very close to each other, and they are really very close. 160.73, 160.85 area. So this scenario is very probable, and I think that this scenario is more probable than the possible head and shoulder. So you can see left shoulder, head, and possibly right shoulder move to the downside. Why I think so? Because some price action on the euro currency and on the New Zealand dollar make me think that the market a bit more bullish than bearish. So this establishing of the new highs looks for me very more probable, but as you know, on the market there could happen anything. So until that I will be looking for this price action. Now let's talk about the lower time frame. So let's take a look on the hourly time frame. First of all, you can see our scenario that we talked on the Friday the previous week. I said that market can, this was the solid resistance area, this was the 50 minutes butterfly 1618, also this ABC small pattern 1618 expansion, and 618 resistance from this high to this low. I said the market can move first the weekly pivot point, and if it will move lower, it will reach this daily confidence support and weekly pivot support 1. So that has happened. Also, market has accomplished this A, B, C tap, 100% expansion target, and move to the upside. Now look at this more great pattern: A, B, C bottom, 100% expansion exactly in the area of our 3-drive sale, 160.98, around 161. So this at the same time closed. Well, how we should act in this scenario? First of all, if you would like to enter long with this target of to catch the 3rd drive, well, this is possible to do, but I recommend you to enter long only if market will move above the weekly pivot point, because we can see such kind of price action: market hit weekly pivot point, can't move above it, and collapses to the downside. And this will be the scenario that will lead us to the possible head and shoulders. Although I think that the more probable is the 3rd drive sell than head and shoulders, but this can happen. Well, so my recommendation is to wait until market will move above the weekly pivot point. Maybe it will reach 159.64. That is, by the way, above the previous local highs that I suppose that some stops just above it, so it can accelerate some move to the upside. Okay, well, possibly we should wait until market will move above the weekly pivot point and enter on some retracement to the downside to possess ourselves as possible target of the 3rd drive. This is, I think, more safe than enter right now, and possibly we can catch ourselves if we enter right now on the long side in the backward move, because nobody knows what can happen. And this enter when the market will move above the weekly pivot point. This will be the bullish sign, short-term bullish sign. And this will be much safer than enter on the long side right now. Anyway, we should take chips off the table when the market hit this area, this 160.50. I suppose the normal area to close any long positions possibility, and waiting for the possible 3rd drive sale. At the same time, on the euro there could be new high, and market can reach the 100% expansion weekly target that hasn't been reached yet by the market. I've talked about this during the previous week. So this could be also the reverse on the euro after the new high will be estimated.